What's good, everyone? My name is Terrence, and I'm here to welcome you to Prather'smind, a place, a YouTube channel where I disrupt the norm and not have 6 different YouTube channels because everyone else tells you that you need 6 different channels in order to embrace every aspect of you. I'm a creator, and I don't need to have 6 different channels. This channel is here to disrupt the norm. See, at first, I was like you, and like everyone else in the world, trying to create one niche and a channel for each different aspects of my life. Well, I'm no longer doing that. For instance, this used to be Black Learning AI, just a place to give tutorials to the Black community on the various different AI tools. But then I started to realize that it puts me in a box and doesn't allow me to be me and express myself creatively. So here on Prather'smind's YouTube channel, I'm doing everything on one channel. So if you're that person that wants to be a disruptive thinker, then go right ahead, subscribe till next time. Peace.